Hey guys, before we move forward, I just wanted to make a quick video explaining a little bit about the difference between UI and UX. So basically the UX part refers to the user experience, while UI refers to user interface. And usually UI it's under the UX, meaning that the user experience is kind of an umbrella term in which you're going to find also the UI. So generally speaking, there are a lot of different explanations of the two and references, but generally speaking, the user experience contains three stages, which can be grouped into the research part, which might include the user research, the market research, and also other elements of research for that particular project. And the design part, it's the actual design in which the UI also comes to play. And then in the first stage we're having the testing phase, which is basically testing out the project which has been completed, and that's where the further refinements come into play. So just to make a reference, for this course we're mainly going to focus on the UI aspect, although I'm planning in doing a UX course in the future. However, we are going to be focusing more on the technical and UI related aspects, although we might touch on some UX principles as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.